Hey guys, welcome back to another Creative Tap tutorial. Sorry it's been a few weeks, been busy with work stuff, but I am back now, so don't worry. In this session, I'm going to be showing you how to edit and fade out sound in or audio in After Effects, okay? So I've got my sound from a website called Bensoundcom. If you were to go on to, I'll just show you that now, bensound.com. It's a really good website. And yeah, you can use all this for free as long as you credit him in there. You can pay if you don't want to credit him, but you'll notice in all my YouTube videos I do give him a credit in the description. Anyway, back to it. I've got basically here a little clip. I've got my intro clip and then it goes into a screen recording. And I don't edit all my tutorials in here, but just in case you are ever editing and you want to fade out audio, I'm going to show you how to do it. So I've got my audio clip. I'm going to drag it down. You'll notice it's got no eye icon because it's not a visual thing, it's just an audio thing, so we can mute it by clicking on and off this speaker, but we don't want to do that. Now, if we click the drop down and then click this audio drop down, you'll see we've got audio levels which we can keyframe. There it is, simple as that. I'm also going to click the drop down for the waveform, just so we can see a visual representation of the audio levels. Okay, so by the time we get to, I want it to be normal volume up until 6 seconds, okay? And where it says 0 decibels, that's 0 decibels would actually be silence, but 0 decibels is just the, however, because each different audio clip will come in at a different volume and After Effects can't really analyze it. So it just comes up, 0 decibels is the standard audio levels that you've imported it as. So I'm going to set one keyframe at 6 seconds by there, okay, just by hitting that stopwatch. Then I'm going to come forward to where I want it to be faded out completely, which is by here, at the end of this intro animation clip. And I'm going to change this to about minus 40, which should, if I hit enter, that should be pretty silent by the time. And you can see there is still a little bit of waveform there. So we'll just see how that sounds, okay? So okay, it's not playing in real time. You can hear it's lagging a bit, but let it play through a few times and it will. This is the problem with doing a laptop. But you can hear there's clearly fading out. There you go, it's fading out for sure. If you can't hear that, I'll just turn it up. But there you go. That does happen a bit fast, so I may move this keyframe back and I could play around with this for a while really. Let's give it another play. There you go, that's a lot better. So what I'll do then once I've faded it out is I'll come to here and I'll hold Alt and the N square bracket key just to cut that clip, and then it'll go into the screen recording. Okay, so that's very basically how you edit and fade out sound in After Effects. It was a quick tutorial, but cheers for joining me, and I'll be uploading another one tomorrow, and yeah, so I'll see you then. Cheers. Bye.